take this little thingy off here, and I love how I threw it that way and it came back.
Get out!
Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kinsey. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today we're going to be opening up a brand new to me, subscription box. We're going to be getting into the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of August. That is right, you guys. Now, I used to get Ipsy a long time ago. Like when I was like, I'm 25 now. How long has Ipsy been around? It's been around for a minute. I think I used to get Ipsy when I was like 19, 20 to 22, something like that. I used to get Ipsy for a long time. And then I finally realized that they had this Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. It's kind of like a BoxyCharm, kind of similar. It's like $25 for the bigger box, and it's like BoxyCharms. It's my first one that I've ever gotten. I've never gotten any Glam Bag. I've never gotten the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus or anything like that, so let's go ahead and just get into it, you guys. If you want to see the Ipsy boxing for the month of August, then just keep on watching. Oh, I gotta get my sharp utensil.
I got it.
Alrighty, so we'll go ahead and cut this open here. Now, I don't know what's going to be in this box. I'm super excited, but we're going to go ahead and get into it here. Cool. Well, I see some things, obviously, but I do see some things here. Ooh, this is fun. Okay, so it says August 2019, Bear Yourself. Maybe that's like the theme. I'm not entirely sure. And then it shows what you get in the actual, like when you open it up. So we're not gonna look at that. So I'm just gonna like stick my hand down in here and just kind of grab whatever I get. Oh, this is from the brand Purlisse. I believe that's how you say it right here. And this is the Blue Lotus Daily Moisturizer. I do love moisturizers. This is a with 30 SPF sunscreen. So this is literally a daily moisturizer with sunscreen. This would be a good one to use maybe if you were like going out like on the beach or something. Take this little thingy off here, and I love how I threw it that way and it came back.
Get out!
I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit on my hand here just so we can kind of see the consistency of it. Ooh, it does feel really nice. It feels nice and hydrating and smoothing, but I can't really tell any kind of like white cast, which is definitely a really good thing. You don't want the white cast all over your face. Next up we have here, we've got, ooh, okay, so we've got some brushes here. Looks like we've got a set of brushes, and these are from Farah, F-A-R-A-H. I've never heard of this brand before, so we will learn together here. So they seem to be like mini brushes, like they're not like super long or anything, but we do have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them, and here are what they look like. Really, really cool. These two, actually probably these three would be the three that I would get the most use out of. And they are pretty soft, not gonna lie, they are pretty soft. This one right here says 35E tapered blending, and like this, I mean, yeah, I could picture myself using that. I do wish it was a little longer, and this one is a large shading brush, and I don't know why it's so square. This one is a 3 mini tapered blending brush, 6 short shading. Try saying that 3 times fast. 6 short shading, 6 short shading. And this is a 205 Fly Wings. I don't know why that made me laugh so hard. 205 Fly Wings. Anyways, so yeah, I'm excited we got some brushes. I do like getting brushes in subscription boxes just so I can like try them out and see. They don't feel the best quality, but I'll still try them out and see what I think. That being said, let's continue. Next up here we have the, ooh, by Suba Beauty. This is the Liquid Chrome Illuminating Drops. Very cool. I know a lot of people are into like the, you know, like putting a highlighter on, like liquid highlighter before the foundation, just so it kind of like shines through. Ooh, oh. This is a really, really, really pretty color. This is called Trust Fund. That is a really gorgeous, gorgeous color. I'm really liking this. Now the thing is that I don't actually know if this is a before foundation illuminizer or if it's like used as a highlight, like a liquid highlight. We can definitely test it out and see. Ooh, that is
so sparkly.
Ooh, that's super nice. Oh, that's so pretty. That's so pretty. Now, this actually reminds me of more along the lines of a illuminizer that you put on before your foundation. And I'm sure you could 100% use this as a highlight as well, because it is like this really gorgeous, not quite golden, but like champagne color highlight. So you could 100% use this as like a actual highlight, or I'm assuming you could put this on your face before you put on your foundation. So really nice. I'm gonna read more about it. Next up here, oh, this is by Thrive Causemetics. I've heard a lot about Thrive Causemetics. I know Kathleen Lights really loves their brand. This is a liquid lash extensions mascara. This is super awesome. This is in the shade Bryn, which is a rich black. Ooh, this is super nice packaging. Here's what it looks like. Ooh. That is not what I'm used to. I'm used to a giant, like, you know, like the Tarte Better Than Sex mascara, that giant applicator. I'm used to something like that, but this, I feel like I've heard things about the mascara before. I'm really excited about this. It's really nicely, and it's really nicely, I can't talk. It's nice and heavy. It feels really, really cool. I love that. Then the last thing, we have a big boy here, and this is by The Balm. Now I remember when I was getting my regular Ipsy bag, The Balm was in those bags almost every single time. So The Balm is definitely a reoccurring company that comes in Ipsy. So here is what the packaging looks like. It is in the palm of your hand, Greatest Hits Volume 2. And then on the back here, I'm assuming it has all the shades. Oh, this is sweet. Oh my gosh, this is really cool. So it looks like it basically has an entire face. Like an entire face palette. You've got some eyeshadows up here. So you've got 4 eyeshadows be a highlight. This looks to be like kind of like a bronzer, and then you have some blush shades. Really, really cool. I'm gonna swatch a couple of these here for you. That is the first matte. Here is the first shimmer shade. Ooh, that one's really nice. That one's really nice. The mattes are okay. They're not super pigmented or anything, but then here is the last matte that we have here. That one is just super, super light. That one seems to be like your more transition kind of shade, but these do look promising. I'm excited. Firm Alice Cooper Matte Russo. And this is the Mary Lou Manizer. I'm excited. I can't wait. I've never used an actual palette from The Balm before, so I'm excited to try it out and see what I think. I love the packaging. The packaging is very cute. It reminds me, it's like very 1930s, 1940s, stuff like that. So yeah, I like it. So that was everything that was in Le Box for the month of August. Now I'm going to go ahead and go through the little pamphlet here and give you some full-size prices, and then I shall also calculate them for you. So we got the Balm Cosmetics, the eyeshadow palette, the Greatest Hits Volume 2, that is $32. Then we have the Thrive Causemetics mascara, this is $24. And then we have the Farrah brush set right here, which is $48. Huh, that's expensive. That's like super expensive. And these like,
I don't know about that.
I don't know about this. I don't know. This one is the Suba Beauty Liquid Chrome Illuminating Drops, and that is $26. And then the, oh my gosh, the Pure Release Blue Lotus Essential Moisturizer is $45. I've heard that Pure Release is a more expensive brand. It is not luxury, but it is more of a high-end, I can't talk, a more high-end brand. And you guys, I have got a total retail value of 175 doll hairs. This is actually pretty ridiculous because if you saw in my last BoxyCharm unboxing, I'll have it linked up here for you. That retail value was $144 and I loved that box. This box, it's $25 when you buy it, right? And this did have a value of $175. That is actually pretty wild. I will say I do think that the brushes were definitely a bit overpriced. The mascara I'm super stoked about. The palette I'm excited about. Those illuminating drops I'm really excited about. Like everything else, the only thing that was kind of like meh was the brushes, but I still may even use them, so who knows. I could end up using them once and then just being like, oh my god, these are the best brushes I've ever used in my entire life. Like, who knows? I'm really happy with this. I think that it is a really, really good price. But if you did get this box, let me know in the comment section if you got the same box that I did, if you had any other variations. But you guys, that has been the video for today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up that like button for me and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see any other videos that I post and when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye!